Hello students, we are studying here unit number 2 fractions, and in this unit we have solved exercise 2.1, exercise 2.2 and exercise 2.3. So dear students, in the previous classes we have seen the types of fraction, multiplication of fraction by a whole number, multiplication of two unit fractions, multiplication of two fractions, reciprocal of a fraction, and division of a fractions. So dear students, in today's class we are going to learn word problems involving fractions. Many problems involving daily activities involve multiplication, division, and other operations on fractions. So, a few examples of such word problems are given below. So, we will see the daily activities through the examples of word problems. So, example number 5 is Rohit covered 1/5 of his journey on foot, 2/5 by cycle, and rest by scooter. What fraction of distance did Rohit cover by scooter? So the example number 5 is given. Rohit walked 1/5 of journey and cycling of his journey 2/5 and rest journey by the scooter. Means Rohit 1/5 of journey covered by his foot and 2/5 of journey he covered by cycle, and the remaining journey by scooter. We have to find out what fraction of distance did Rohit cover by the scooters. Means the total journey is 1/5 journey cover Rohit by his foot and 2/5 by cycle and rest journey by scooter. So we have to find out the journey covered by Rohit by scooter. So let's see the solution of this. Solution: fraction of distance covered on foot and cycle. Given 1/5 distance covered by foot and 2/5 covered by cycle. So we will add these two fraction covered by foot and cycle by Rohit. So 1/5 plus 2/5 is equal to 5. 5 same denominator, we will put here 5, and 1 plus 2 3. 3 upon 5, and remaining distance is equal to 1 minus 3 upon 5. Why we subtract 3 upon 5 from 1? Because of fraction. By the definition of fraction, fraction is a part of whole or grouping. So to find out the remaining distance, we have to subtract the distance covered by foot and bicycle. That's why we will subtract 3 upon 5 from 1. Understood, students? So the remaining distance is equal to 1 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 1. We can write to 1 in fraction 1 upon 1. So here will come 1 and 5. So we will first convert 1 into the same denominator as 5. So we can write here instead of 1 5 upon 5, and their total LCM is 5. Here will come 5. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 upon 5. Hence, fraction of distance covered by scooter is equal to 2/5. Example number 6. Cost of 1 glass of lemon juice is 10 and 1/2. Find the cost of 20 glasses of lemon juice. Students, given here the cost of 1 glass lemon juice, then we have to find out the cost of 20 glasses lemon juice. Means if given the cost of the 1 glass and we have to find out the more than 1, means more glasses, the cost of 1 glass is given and we have to find out the cost of 20 glasses. So in this situation, if the given the cost of 1 glass and we have to find out the more than 1 cost of more than glasses, we have to do the multiplication of given values. Okay students, so in solution, first of all we will write the cost of 1 glass of lemon juice is equal to 10 and 1/2. We will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 10 to 2 into 10 plus 1. 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. That is 21/2. Now we will find out the cost of 20 glasses of lemon juice is equal to 20 into 21/2. So 21/2 into 2. We will cancel it. 2 1s are 2 and 2 10s are 20 is equal to 21 into 10 is equal to 210. Thus the cost of 20 glasses of lemon juice is 210.